and welcome back to my channel Glam Up with Ritika. So guys, I hope you're all doing well. So Durga Puja is around the corner, and that's why I've come up with a content with Durga Puja series, and this is the first look I have created, and I think you can wear it on Shashti or Shaptami in the morning. It's a very light smoky eye glam look, and I think it's the best way you can do your makeup in the daytime, because generally it rains during the daytime. Basically for the last 2-3 years it has been raining in the daytime, so I think this is a very nice look. It's a dewy look I have created, but I've used a matte foundation today. So yeah, I think it's a great festival for all the Bengalis out there. And if you want me to create videos in Bengali as well, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do them for you. And people who has no clue about what Durga Puja is, so it's a festival which is the biggest festival for Bengalis. It happens during October or November of the year. So this year it is starting from around, like, if you consider the first days, it's starting from 8th or 9th. So basically why I'm calling it like you can wear this look on Shashti Shaptami, because those are the 5 days we enjoy from Shashti till Dasera. So yeah, I think this look has turned out really well, and I am wearing basically a Pathan kurta. So it has a collar, and I have paired up with nice jhumka. It's a black jhumka. I got it from New Market, who have no clue about it. So it's a small bazaar in Esplanade area. You can Google it if you want to know about Kolkata. And I would also be vlogging during the Durga Puja. So there's a news, guys. I am going out on a vacation during the puja time, so I'll be back on Ashtami morning. So after that I will be doing pandal hopping, and also I'll be going out in restaurants to eat. So I'll be vlogging all of them. So if you want to see, please stay tuned to my channel, and I will give you the updates on my social media links, which will be in the description box below. Please do check it out. And before going into the video, and before going into how I created this look, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video you can get the notification. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start with Clinic Prep Start Hydro Blur Moisturizer, and putting it in dots all over my face. I'm going to massage it well into my skin. For primer, I am going to use this Lotus Eco Stay Perfecting Primer, and I am going to use it in the areas where I have large and extra pores. To create a smooth base for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Instant Rejuvenate Concealer from Maybelline New York in the shade Medium, and I'm going to put it into my eyelids and then blend it all in with a beauty sponge. And the links of all the items will be mentioned in the description box below, so you can very well go ahead and check it out. And in order to set this concealer, I'm going to use the Studio Fix from MAC in the shade NC40, and put it onto the area where I have used the concealer for a smooth base. To start off my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Jaded Glow and Starry Night from K Beauty, and I'm going to use a mixture of these two shades together onto my eyes, and then blend it all in with a fluffy flat brush, so that there are no harsh edges or harsh lines, and the two gets blended really well together for a smooth effect. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this customizable eyeshadow palette which I made, and taking this brown shade from the palette, I am going to blend it towards the crease where my stick eyeshadows have ended, so that there are no harsh lines and the entire eyeshadow look very smooth. So in order to intensify a little, I'm going to take the brown and the black shade from this Revolution palette, and I'm going to put it all over the stick eyeshadows which I've used, and also towards the crease, and then I'm going to blend it all in with the help of a fluffy blending brush. So taking a sea green color from the same customizable palette, I'll try to mention the names of the eyeshadows maybe in the description box below if I find it, and taking that same I have put it onto my lids. Now I'm going to just put a little bit of the Maybelline strobe cream for the extra highlighted effect on my face, and then blend it all in with the help of my fingers. So for foundation, I'm going to take this Sephora Oil Free Foundation, and I'm going to use the same beauty blender which I used for my eyes, and I'm going to blend it really well all over my face. Once this is done, using the same concealer, I am going to put it onto my usual areas like under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and onto my forehead, and I'm going to blend it all in with the help of the same beauty sponge. To set the concealer, I'm going to use this All Set to Glow translucent face powder from Sugar, and I'm going to use this in the areas where I've used the concealer. For contouring my face, I'm going to use this Revolution Contour palette, and I'm going to use the two dark shades from the palette, and I'm going to contour the usual points on my face, like under my jawline and my cheeks, then on the bridge, on the side of my nose and forehead as well. Now taking this Estee Lauder blush, I am going to plump and blush my face a little bit more to bring back that warmth and flushy effect to my skin. As my makeup is complete, I'm going to finish off my eyes, and using the same Jaded Glow eyeshadow, this is the stick eyeshadow I'm using, and then blending it all in with that flat fluffy brush which I used previously. For eyeliner, I'm going to use this Lakme Iconic eyeliner, and I'm creating a very small wing so that the lash band of the false lashes can hide. And in order to do that, I'm going to use this Falsies Lash Lift Mascara from Maybelline, and I'm coating my upper as well as lower lashes for the fuller effect. To set my entire makeup, I'm going to use this Revolution Super Fix Misting Spray, and I'm going to spray it all over my face, covering my eye areas. And once this is a little bit dry, I'm using this Becca Backlight Pop Champagne Pop highlighter onto the usual points of my face for that extra glow. So for the final step, I'm using this 126 Eye Play shade from the L'Oreal Signature lipstick, and I'm going to put it all over my lips for a fuller, brighter effect. So guys, this is my finished look, and I hope you have loved this look because I really liked creating this. And yeah, please do mention in the comment section below if you want to see me doing some new looks, and I will also mention my social profile links in the description box below. Please go and check them out, and please send me a friend request. I'm available on Facebook and Instagram, so you can follow me as well on my page. I'll link everything down in the description box below. And so yeah, this is my final look, and yeah, till then, take care, bye bye.